Okay, I'm in here working on this kitchen. We've got a little Peninsula, these two cabinets that I'm going to install right here. There's an outlet we're going to add right there. And then this shelf is a little fold down shelf that goes in this cabinet for like a mixer, and there's going to be a plug in there too. So I've got all my lines marked so I can cut the baseboard and start running this stuff. So let's do it. So what you've seen me doing is basically turning these two cabinets into one cabinet. I got them all screwed together, but this screws down by the door. And I got these cleats screwed here, screwing these two together. And then there's a screw down the bottom. Got those 2x4s are down there, so I got something to nail. The panel goes on the back of here. And these cleats that I put on her for the shelf that holds the mixer. So now all I gotta do is attach these cabinets to the wall, put a couple screws there, and that 2x4 I screwed to the floor, put a couple screws in it like that. Okay, now I just need to cut the shims off, put the box in, the electric, put the shelf on, and put the panels on. Pretty solid now. Okay, there it is, all in. What they look like until the tops come in. Okay, as you can see, cabinets has been painted now. Countertop is on. Only thing left is to put the handles on. Okay, so there she is, all done. Got her put in. Took a little while to get the tops and get it all to come in, and the handles and all the stuff to come together, but we finally made it. And you can see behind me, we're doing a bunch of other work in the kitchen. There's a microwave still we're working on, and stove's got to be put in. Dishwasher we're hooking up. Sink still got to be hooked up. And I'm working on the tile backsplash right now. You can see I got these framed out for a design that's going in there. Got my first pieces cut and ready to go. And I'll have that video coming out real soon, so if you want to see that, don't forget to come back and check it out. So I thank you for watching, and check back in with me next time.